guys, you saw some clips before on this G63 pickup truck. We get a lot of interest on it. It's one of the biggest talks that we've had in the last few videos, and this thing is wild. So we did the first road test on it right now, actually. We have the flares kind of on there. We have to road test and see the fitment, see if it's touching somewhere. It is touching a little bit in the front when you turn, so we're gonna be chopping a little bit off more on the front flares. But yeah, this thing is crazy. Honestly, drives really well for what it is. It drives like a regular G-Wagon, actually. And yeah, we have a few more weeks into this build. Honestly, we have to do still the back end, and the metal bumpers are being made. It was 3D scanned and all that stuff. Custom roof rack is being made. All that stuff's going on still. We still have to primer the flares, paint them, that kind of stuff. So we're showing you guys again more premature stuff. Normally we like to wait until it's completely done, but this is still a few weeks out, and we really wanted to show you guys this thing driving on the street, the presence of it, how big it is, how it barely fits in the lanes. Really, really crazy. And again, this is a newer model G-Wagon, so really crazy to see. Only one in the USA streets, pickup truck, new G-Wagon right here. So hope you guys like it.
De la calle soy, pa la calle voy.
Is this what you call the podcast table?
Yeah, I'm gonna try it. Let's see how it looks upstairs. It's nice, isn't it? Let's give it a try. Let's see how it looks.
That's his table.
It's the shop's
It's his
table.
old son's. Pyro.
It's old son type thing.
Jairo, bring it. It's nice and luxurious upstairs. Let's see how this looks.
You remember Jairo?
Oh!
Did he really hit you?
Oh shit.
Arthur, don't f around. Did I really hit you?
No man, go take it.
What? What happened?
Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Up we go. Up we go. Up we go. Hey, it's nice over here. You complain about everything.
Over here it's nice to put the table. Pool table.
Nobody asked you.
No, it's nice to put the pool table over here.
Bro, you suck at pool. It is a good spot for a pool table.
Yeah, this spot for pool table.
Alright.
It fits perfectly.
Bro, 2 chairs don't even fit.
It's not small.
Take a little lease, we're gonna do a podcast.
And of course, Arthur sits on the most comfortable thing there is.
There's a normal chair here.
Okay, we were 4 of us.
How are you sitting right now? Your pants didn't like break? So we're testing right now our podcast room. Actually, we don't know if we want to use it as a podcast room, but we might because it's getting annoying to keep moving it. But you guys be the judge. I would think we're gonna try it. This is obviously not a table. This is a work table we just brought from downstairs. It's tiny, but we're gonna get an actual table and all that stuff and set this up as a podcast room. I think it'll be cool.
I think it's nice.
We have the windows open up front, but normally those are closed, so we'll see what we're gonna do with lighting. But yeah, we also have like these frames and awards we need to put up. So yeah, this room was never completed, but we might have to complete it now. Obviously the table's gonna be bigger too, so hopefully it fits in the frame. So yeah, this might be the new podcast room. So let us know your thoughts, and Wednesdays we are dropping the podcast. So.
Hey, güey, ¿por qué no pones un puente aquí, loco, o algo que... I tell him put something over here where he can step.
Yeah, I don't
feel
care
that.
about him and you can fall.
Don't say that.
Alright guys, I'm standing in front of this beautiful 2022 Rolls Royce Cullinan. You guys have seen a lot of Cullinans on this channel, but this is the first 2022 model we've seen, and it's one of the first to have this new interior color. It's called Forge Yellow. It's really, really cool because it's not that bright yellow, it's between a yellow and orange. So I don't know how much of that the camera is gonna pick up, but it is between a yellow and an orange. I would say it's like a mustardy color. Honestly, really, really nice color. My client got with this car for the intent to fully modify it. The 1016 Industries wide body kit for the Cullinan, as you guys already know, we helped design that kit. We're gonna be the first ones to do them. This car is gonna be one of the first to have that. In about a month or so, we're gonna get the kit to put it on. But for now, we're gonna be doing wheels, we're gonna be doing a blackout, all that stuff. But yeah, truly, you guys know we do a ton of Cullinans, and this one is gonna be really, really dope when we're done with it. So yeah, it's a 2022 Cullinan right here.
Alright guys, so it is Saturday. It is about 5 to 10 minutes before closing time. We're finishing up this Rolls Royce Cullinan. Beautiful, unbelievable. Everybody came through, we did it together. Last minute completion. Customer is waiting for the car. I'm just cleaning the I did a lot of work. I'm cleaning the car, as you guys can see, shining it up, making it nice, and we're good to go.
There's an emblem.
Where's the emblem?
I got it actually.